Okay, so hey guys, welcome back to today's video where we are going to be taking stuff to the feed shed, and then I'm pretty sure our barn right here. So, yeah. I'm just waiting for whatever. Okay. Hold this back, too. Okay, so now we are going to take this over to the other shed, the big shed. I'm also taking this stick over to the fire pit. So we got this, and then we got that stick. Okay, so the reason why I wasn't talking there is because, well, I didn't really want to talk, but I'm sorry about my dog, you know. It's like I said, she's really annoying. So yeah, but I apologize of that because, yeah, I mean, it's just like, dumb dog is annoying, you know? I mean, like, but, yeah, yeah, so hopefully I'll get this stuff dropped off or whatever. My mom is helping me do this, so yeah, I'm gonna try to make this video, like, I don't know, it's gonna be close to 10 minutes, probably, maybe like 5, 6, 7 minutes, but it's gonna be close to 10 minutes, okay? So, yeah. But, thank you guys for all the love and support on this video, because that square body video that I just did yesterday got very good views, and I'm happy about that. Hope you guys keep subscribing, like, subscribe, whatever, you know, and yeah. But yeah, here's our shed. Nothing now.
I'm going in after I put this inside.
And then, so yeah, we're gonna put this in the fire pit or whatever. So yeah. So here's where we put all of our sticks and stuff. yeah, I'm probably gonna end this video off, right now. So, I will see you guys in the next video. Hopefully. It'll be either, I might post one tomorrow. I don't know yet. But, see you guys. Peace.